Hello kids! Welcome back to Zoratale. Today we're going to learn something very important in math. Number units. We will learn ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands in a very simple way. Let's begin. Ones mean single items. If you have 1, 2, 3, 4 things, they are called ones. 1 apple is equal to 1. 3 balls is equal to 3. 7 stars is equal to 7. Tens means a group of 10. The ones place is the last digit in a number. 10 apples is equal to 110. 20 apples is equal to 2 tens. 30 apples is equal to 3 tens. Numbers in the tens place are like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The tens place is the second digit from the right. Tens means 10 hundreds is equal to 100. 100 blocks is equal to 100. 200 blocks is equal to 200s. 300 blocks is equal to 300s. Numbers in the hundreds place are 100, 200, 300, 400. The hundreds place is the third digit from the right. Thousands means 10 hundreds is equal to 1,000. 1,000 stars is equal to 1,000. 2,000 stars is equal to 2,000. 3,000 stars is equal to 3,000. Numbers in the thousands place are 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. The thousands place is the fourth digit from the right. Great job, kids! Now you know ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Keep learning with Zoratale. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.